Everybody, this is day 9 of the diet. It'd be dose number 17 now. Weighed myself this morning, it's 119 even. I need to go back and look at my first videos I made and see what I started out at. I don't even remember. But anyway, I've got some running to do today, and then work on the CNC router table, finish that up today, I hope. And so I'm going to take my dose, and I had a little bit of oatmeal this morning. That's what I ate, and I'm not sure what I'm going to have for lunch. I'm going to look around and see what fast food restaurants have low-calorie salads. So I'm going to try to do that today. So anyway, I'm going to take my dose number 17, and let's see, 9. So this is a 15-day supply of HCG. So and I may stop by and get some new syringes today from the Walgreens. They give you free syringes, or they'll give me a couple anyway. Alright, so let me get this video edited and uploaded, and I will be back.